That meme is like,
It's like the best
how
thing
much?
ever. It's not much, but it's honest work. Welcome to Daddy Bits, our trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater. And as always, welcome back, Tefleezy.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Teflon John in the building.
Teflon John went on a hike yesterday. He went on a hike.
The memes just does not stop. The memes don't stop, okay? I appreciate the fact that you made a few.
If you guys, I swear, if you guys aren't part of the Discord, you guys are missing out
on some funny ass content.
Some funny stuff. Not just, it's not all about stocks and bonds, supposedly today. Bonds were up again. It's not all about stocks and bonds. It's about a community of active traders that just smoke each other daily on the message boards. It is the funniest thing ever. There is some gas to be lit up each day, and today was one of them again.
I was the main culprit. I was the main target.
Oh man,
I feel like I'm always the target.
And it's you're getting it from different directions.
Oh yeah,
you're getting it.
I see it.
You're getting it from different directions. At some point, you know what? If in fairness, I hold back. I send you the stuff first before I go ham on you.
Your memes are hilarious, by the way.
You know what? Nico made the meme, so that's exactly what it is. But you know what? On today's episode, there's a question that I have, John.
What is it?
Do the apes have control?
Stop, man.
Do the apes have control of AMC, John?
Guys, if you guys were following our we've been covering AMC for 2 months now. But anyways, we did call out 39, and it did hit 39.
It definitely did. So make sure, if you guys are interested, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you guys like this content, and if you guys gave us a thumbs down, your mama's a hoe. Plain and simple. If you guys want us to cover some stocks, make sure you drop it down in the comment section below. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. All right. You know what? You know what makes my day whole?
What is it?
Makes my day complete. Besides AMC running, how much we today? What makes my day whole is seeing some member gains, John. Ooh. Some member gains.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to some member gains, and I do really enjoy these member gains.
Hey, guess what? Right on the dot at 6:30, we have live voice chat. Okay.
Live voice chat. John, you want to shout these people out real quick?
Oh man, dude, I can go off the list right now. So we got Sneak the Sneak right here. Who is that?
I don't know who that person is, but I heard that he's a handsome young buck.
Handsome feller. Okay. Damn, look at that. 400 on QQQ, 730 on Tesla.
40 on QQQ.
Oh, I'm sorry. 40 on QQQ. 730 on Tesla. Apple. 880 on Apple.
Man, Apple short, by the way. That's an Apple short.
Jesus, you're savage. That's 1650 for Sneak the Sneak today. Astronaut, you got a quick $200. Dung Buddy, $44. We got Mr. Ubay. Oh man, Ubay was on fire. He's been on fire,
dude. Captain Consistent. Shout out to Ubay and Matthew. They've been going ham. They've been going
them. Yeah,
hammer.
But look at that. Ubay with the Tesla trade. He did about 400 on that one, and then he hit up space for about 500. Wow. And then look at me. I just added some more Southwest. Boo boo. Anyway,
it's not much, but it's honest work.
Not much. It's honest work. and then Ubay again. Hit it up. He hit Tesla again, back to back, another 300 on that one.
Yeah.
And then Matt with Dow Jones 295. Wow, he's just trading everything, huh? Is that zero DTE?
No, it's not. Tomorrow. It's a 1 day. It's a 1 day. DTE. One DTE.
$300. Man. And then he hit up HD for $70. And this guy named John Coe did 800, 900 on Tesla, whatever. Mr. Burgundy, you know, he got some dinner money, $80
Dinner
right there
money.
with Tesla. And then last but not least, we got Neek the Sneak again, handsome feller. July 9th, 6:45 calls for Tesla, $100 quick scalp. That's Wagyu right there.
That's definitely some Wagyu gains.
A lot
But
of gains.
definitely a lot of gains today. So if you guys are interested in making those gains, make sure that you guys watch the entire video. We will explain to you guys how to make those towards the end of the video. But let's get to the first stock that we want to cover. It's AMC. This is John's favorite stock. I don't know if you guys have noticed.
I'm a migraine.
This is John's favorite stock, like of all time. Of all time.
All right, pull it up. Pull it up. So we got the daily chart. Look how clean it bounced off of the 50.
I know. Hold on. You know what? Let me get out of
876. And we spoke about next target was 39. Yet here we are.
Yeah, exactly.
Fire calls.
Exactly. Here we go. There we are.
Fire calls.
There we are.
Clean bounce.
Clean bounce off of the 50 right there.
Yep.
And it's also running after hours. I mean, the wedge is busted for sure.
Oh, it is. What's going on over here?
The wedge is extremely busted. Now it's it turned into a flag.
Now it's turning into a really big flag. I'm kind of
So let's see here, because that's where the points of contact, right? The points of contact are right there.
Now it's turning into a really big, huge flag.
Yeah, it's turning into a fat flag now. Yeah. And I think right there you go. Fat flag right there, John. Fat flag.
Over here. I don't know what to say, bro.
No, think about it, right? All right. So hear me out. On the daily chart, this looks very promising. Okay. Double bottom, 1, 2. Right? MACD
is about to
curl. It's about to curl to the upside. Also, if we take a look at after hours action, it ran.
Yeah.
After hours action, it hit 49.38.
Yep.
At the highest. So, what does that tell you, John?
It's telling us that there might be a gap up tomorrow.
And the apes are in control currently.
What are you talking about?
The apes are in control, John. The apes are always in control.
Resistance is at 50, 75-ish, 51. Okay, there's 2 resistance, okay? That needs to break tomorrow.
Right there, right here, $50, $50. If we break $50, I think we're going topside here, boys. I really do think that there's some more room. As long as you hold your shares, you should be good to go. Maybe a little bit of a swingy swing. You know, swing to the upside. You might see some good gains for nice scalps tomorrow. But I think we might see some more here on AMC. The next stock that we want to talk about is a shout out to one of our Discord members, Mama Need a New Bentley. Mama Need a New Bentley wants to talk about Bank of America.
Let's
pull that up real quick.
I like Bank of America.
What do you see on Bank of America, John?
There might be more weakness because guess what? Bonds are up in the air again. We're talking about bonds again, and then the new Delta variant is it's all over the news again. So whenever there's fear in the market, obviously the first ones to know would be the banks, right? For this one right here, you just got to be careful. It's hitting a double bottom. If you look at the 1 month chart, if that breaks, then that's it. You know, your next line of support would be what, 37, 34.60. Yeah, you see the double bottom right there?
Right there. I just drew the line.
Yeah, if that breaks tomorrow, then that's it. We're going lower on this one, boys. So
use this actually. Right there.
Triple, right?
Right there. That's a triple bottom, yeah.
Look like a head and shoulders right there.
1. Yep, that definitely does. 1, 2, 3.
Just draw the U shape right above the first. I don't even know how to do a U shape on things.
No, I don't think you do a U shape. I think it's just this one right here. You just circle them on.
Yeah. So those are your head and shoulders right there. It took 4 months to form. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Bank of America, I mean, it's a solid long-term investment, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Pays out dividends, but short term, I wouldn't long this one.
What about
Yeah.
a gap fill right there, John?
Where at
Right here.
with
Small
that
gap
one?
fill.
No, not. I wouldn't even play that. That's not worth it.
Not worth it. Okay.
Yeah, that's not worth it.
Gotcha. So that's it. Also, there's earnings that are coming up here, and you know how we do out here. We don't play anything
Oh,
for
that's right.
earnings.
Is it
That
earnings
is.
season again?
Oh,
It's
the
about to
banks
be?
are reporting. When is that? The 14th? Is that next week? Ooh,
Oh,
earnings season again.
earnings season again.
It's
Hey,
earnings
guess
season.
what? SPY and NASDAQ, it's overextended, and
Yeah,
Nvidia is gonna split. What then? Is it the 19th or the 20th?
the 20th.
Wow! And then banks are reporting.
Banks are
What does this mean?
so long Disney then.
And you got the bonds coming out of the woodworks again, and then the new Delta variant. Oh man, too many FUD. Too much FUD.
Too much fun out in the market, but you know how we
Fear,
do.
uncertainty, and what?
Doubt.
Doubt.
Oh, fear,
I thought it was death.
uncertainty, and debauchery.
I thought it was death.
No. I mean, if you weren't vaccinated, if you didn't get
Yeah.
vaccinated, you
Yeah.
knock on wood. I hope you're surviving. That's rough. That's rough. And even like right now, even the Tokyo Olympics are in the balance because there is a state of emergency over in Japan.
In
So
Japan, yeah.
that's a little rough, folks. That's a little rough. And shout out to all our Japanese viewers. If you are out there, I hope you guys are staying safe.
We probably
Make sure
have
that you
one.
guys mask up. We have a few. I'm pretty sure we have a few. But that's pretty much it for Bank of America. The next stock that we want to cover is from our friend Andrew. Andrew wants to know about FireEye. John, FireEye.
You know who's in cybersecurity?
Mama Los.
Hey.
Mama Losi. One of us. One
You
of
know what?
us.
Speaking of Mama Losi, man, she put up a. Well, I don't know if it's her trading. It's probably her grandkids.
I do. I want to know. I want to get a roundtable going with whoever manages Mama Losi's portfolio because
Her
that's a
grandkids.
whole head of a lot of cash to play with.
Yeah.
How much are your load fees on that? Assuming 3% load fees.
She longed Nvidia.
Oh, for sure, she longed Nvidia.
She longed Apple.
Dude, this is clear cut insider trading.
It
And
is.
you know what?
Hell yeah,
I'm
it
all
is.
for it, Mama
Of course.
Losi. You follow Mama Losi's money, you making some money.
Oh hell yeah! Come on,
Yeah,
man.
all day, all day.
Insider trading 101. Okay.
Yeah, be a congresswoman.
Or a speaker.
Exactly, exactly.
So FireEye hasn't been really relevant at all. What I
Mhm.
want to follow first is obviously CrowdStrike, ticker symbol CRWD. That's the leader in cybersecurity. FireEye, it's a small cap stock. It's really not volatile. It hasn't moved much for the past 6 months. Okay, so you can't really. The range right now is very limited. You really don't have that much trading range on this one, in my opinion. It dipped all the way to 18s a couple of times back in March 5th and June 4th. Okay, it completely bounced off of that. So those are your for sure a floor. Okay,
Mhm.
and if you want to look at it from a short-term perspective, today was a weird bounce because Amazon
Yeah.
carried the market. Okay, because Apple lagged. Well, however, Tesla did somewhat carry the market as well.
Magic.
Your first support right here is at 2097 to be exact. Your next support is at 2087. So around 21-ish, you have some massive support right there. And then lastly would be at 2070. Okay. I wouldn't trade this stock. It's up to you guys, but there's really not a whole lot of movement. And just look at it. The past 3 months hasn't really volatile at all. It just kind of stayed there.
Stayed there. It's within the range.
You do need volatility in order to make decent gains. But if you're doing let's say an iron condor on this stock
perfect.
right here, perfect. Look at it from the past 3 months. Hasn't done anything.
Mm-mm.
So it's up to you. There you go.
Yeah, hasn't really moved whole hell of a lot much. There is, however, a gap that could potentially fill right or actually it did already.
It already did, yeah. It did yesterday.
Yeah, it already filled yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't feel comfortable with FireEye. We might see a couple of green days or a couple of like choppy days before it ultimately breaks down to the downside. I would be cautious with FireEye altogether, especially in these market conditions when it's not really a time for swing trades. It's a time for day trades. If you're swing trading, I hope that you've done extreme due diligence and you have your leaps far out, because it's not that kind of weather right now. You know what I mean? So back to the gains that we were talking about earlier. If you guys are interested in making the same gains, if you guys want to learn how to make those same gains, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Investments. Hit up Jay Spees at Jay Spees Trades. Hit up Bust Down Investments. Shoot them a nice message. Also, the links are below. So go to the website, bustdowninvestments.com, to learn more. Also, there's also a link to the Bust Down Investments Discord, which John and I are analysts in that Discord, and we talk about our plays. We call out plays. We're on the voice chat at 6:30 in the morning usually.
That's how we make it happen. That's
where the magic happens.
Happens,
you know how hard it is to trade and like type at the same time to call out plays while you're typing. It's just not the business. So being on voice and being able to call these plays out, like, hey, I'm hopping in this now, right? Here I am. I'm going in here now, right? So that's how people like Ruel. Case in point, Ube made those gains earlier on Tesla because I said I'm hopping into Tesla.
Yes.
Right. Shout out to you too. See, shout out to you guys for not necessarily following. I'm just doing my yab. You know what I mean? Again, it's not financial advice. The stocks that we talk about are stocks that John and I try to see value in, to see if there's any type of money that we can gain. As you know, if you guys are following our trades, make sure to guys manage your risk accordingly. If you guys win some money, shout us out, give us a nice follow. And if you guys lose some money, it's not like we didn't warn you guys. Know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys hit us up on all our social media at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades, at Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And with that being said, let's get trading. Remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.